It is time for the package from China. Welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector. And in today's video we are going to talk about the PlayStation clone from China. The Super 8-bit game, new version with audio and video cable. And they ripped off Contra. Oh yeah. So we're having this version with an extra game. So you can buy it with or without. So it was pretty damn cheap. So I'm thinking, you know what? I'm going to buy one with the multi-game card included. Alright, nothing special on the box. Let's see if I can unpack it. I need a scissor. Where's my scissor? Where's my scissor? It's time for the yellow scissor. Yellow scissor. Alright, let's see. First one. So, ribbon there. What the? What? It doesn't even say a number. Well, nevertheless. Plastic. Alright, let's see. Alright, I need to have an opening. Plastic, plastic, plastic. Plastic, plastic, plastic. I really hate it. For the people like it. You like it, don't you? Yes. Alright, so let's do a little bit of an unboxing. First clean up and come here. Alright, so what are we going to get, people? I am so curious now. I want to open it up and leave my box in one piece. Yeah, okay. People, more plastic. So this one comes with the system, 2 controllers. Alright, more plastic. More plastic. From China. Alright, come. Whoopa. Alright, it comes with this very cheap fake controller pistol thing. Wow, this is a very short, flimsy cable, I can tell you that. I'm not going to test it out, because I don't have a CRT. The power supply looks pretty decent. Let's see how many volts it is. It doesn't say how many volts it is. What the? No. What the? Alright, never mind. Alright, the system itself. So we'll take a closer look later. AV out cable. And 2 of our basic PlayStation rip-off controllers. Oh my god, these things feel pretty horrible. No shoulder buttons again. Alright, let's take a... We have here our Chinese toilet paper manual. It isn't even in English. Nevertheless, whatever. Alright, let's take a close look at the system. Okay, what's with this system? Sweet. Like the original PlayStation. Power button, reset, 2 ports like the Atari and Mega Drive. Nothing here. Power in, AV out. At the bottom we have no information. So, let's go. I'm going to stick a Famicom card in it. And let's play some games. Oh yeah, that is more like it. So basically you pay a couple of dollars more for this multi-game card. The cool baby, 500 in 1. And there's a very familiar card and very familiar collection because they use these collections for the mini classic system you can buy. As you can see here, we have a lot of great games. Rocking Cats. There will be double games for I know, or crappy games. But a few couple of lists, the first lists are very nice. To be honest, now we're getting the point that it's not very interesting anymore. Okay, we got crap, a lot of crap. Okay. Select, restart. The colors are horrible. Well, the reason why I have left and right sound is because I use this splitter. So basically what I do, I'm making mono sound. I wouldn't say stereo, but I just want to have sound from the left and right speaker when recording the games. Okay, so I've noticed these stripes through the screen. In other words, very horrible quality output. And I'm using an upscaler, so what is upscaling the crappy signal as well. So this is this quality that you're going to get with this very cheap PlayStation clone thing. Ah, it's a shame, it's a shame. So I'm going to round up this video. I just wanted to focus on the main system. And the multi-game card, if you like, I can make a separate review about it. But for now, let's go to the final conclusion. So, for the final conclusion about the PlayStation clone from China. I must say, I'm a little bit disappointed if it comes to the built-in games. I know there are some built-in games. So if you're interested in a product like this and you just want to have this extra games, I can recommend you just spend a couple of extra dollars and buy the multi-game card. I don't know if all the cells have the same multi-game card. It was the Cool Baby 501. Maybe I'm going to make a separate review about it, because it's a pretty damn good collection. So for now, this is what you're going to get. Let me know what you think of this. Really love to know. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check the Wicked Gaming channel for more awesome retro gaming, and see you next time. Bye bye.